Whether you're interested in going green, saving paper for your printer, or you just want to email a document to your friend for review, or maybe to a colleague to check over before your final draft, or you just want to see what it would look like on the screen, a PDF is the way to go. Now, what a PDF is, it's a portable document format created by Adobe Systems that allows you to create a digital document that's readable on other computers, whether it's a Macintosh, whether it's a Linux computer, whether it's a PC. It's a format that allows you to go through and share your documents with other people. Now, the way to create a PDF, you can buy software to do it, or you can do a search, and I'm just going to do a Google search from Sterling Teach's website for PDF Creator. And I come up, and there's this first one that comes up, SourceForge.net PDF Creator. This is actually a software program that you can download from SourceForge that will allow you to create a PDF almost as though you were printing from your computer. So right here it says Download PDF Creator. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And now on this page, it has a lot of different options if you scroll down. So I'm not going to scroll down too much because it gets confusing. But right here it says Package PDF Creator and the release PDF Creator 9.5. If you want to read about it, you can go ahead and read a lot of the information that they have. You can also check some of the notes that they have. And just go ahead and click on Download. And it tells us what we're selecting to download. So we can go ahead and scroll down here. Here's the file right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And it's downloading it. I'm going to save the file. And this is saving it. This is a downloader inside of Firefox that downloads it, and once it's downloaded, it shows it here. You can just go ahead and just double click on it, and it's an executable file, so it's going to install the software. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and Vista is asking me if I acknowledge this publisher. I've used them before, and I'm okay using them. Make sure you check with your computer provider before you run this. I'm going to go ahead and select that. So now it's going to take me through the steps to install. It's going to ask me what language, and it's going to take me through the setup wizard. Make sure to read through the license agreement to make sure that you understand it. I've already read through, so I'm going to scroll through here quickly just so you can see it. And then accept the agreement. If you accept it, go ahead and click Next. And then go ahead and click Next. These are just a couple of notes. And it just tells you the current PDF Creator is not completely compatible with Windows Vista. So you might want to be a little wary. But it just tells you a little bit about that there. I'm okay installing it on mine. I can always uninstall it later. I'm going to go ahead and just call it. And it's giving you a driver for the printer. So it will create what's kind of like a digital print. Instead of printing out to a printer, it'll create a digital file. And I want my printer to be called PDF Creator. That way I can know which one it is. I click on Next. It's telling me where it's going to install it. Go ahead and click on Next. And now it's also telling you some other things that you're going to have the PDF Creator available inside of browsers. And you can have your own toolbar there. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. It gives you some different components that you can install. It says the PDF Creator toolbar for Internet Explorer and Firefox. So if you wanted, you could have your own toolbar. That way you can just print documents right from the internet. I'm going to go ahead and keep that. It has a couple of samples. It has the help files. You can change the languages. Maybe you want to have it in other languages as well. So it has a couple of options here. I'm going to click Next. And then it's asking me where to put it, and I'm just going to go ahead and keep it in the Start menu folder. Click Next. And this is just if you have lots of users on your computer, whether you want to install it for them as well. I'm just going to go ahead and make it for all users. And I'm going to go ahead and just click Next, Install. It takes it a second to install. And now once you've installed it, it gives you the option to launch the PDF Creator. Let's go ahead and do that so we can see what it looks like. So here's the PDF Creator. It's a little bit different than previous versions, but this allows you to add in documents here I just tried to install PDF Creator on Windows Vista, and I found out that PDF Creator doesn't work well on Windows Vista, at least the way I found out how to do it. So I decided to find another PDF Creator so that I can go ahead and create PDFs from my web pages, from different applications that I use. So I looked up PDF Writer, I did some research, and I found out that Cutepdf seems to work well with Vista. So let's go ahead and try that. I'm here at cutepdf.com, and I'm going to try and see this, and it gives you the information about it, how you can create PDF documents on the fly for free. There are many programs out there that will create PDFs for you for free, but many of them will put on ads or they'll put on watermarks, different things like that, but this one says that it doesn't, so it looks like it should be a pretty good one. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the free download on the left hand side. I'm going to see if this one will work better than PDF Creator. And you can see I have PDF Creator still there as I tried creating it just a few minutes ago. So let me just go ahead and execute that. So I'm going to run it. Click Continue. Click Next. Make sure to go through and read the user agreement. Going to accept that. Install. So it says I need the other program as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. I'm going to get that as well. And it's installing it. The installation takes just a few minutes. So once we install it, it comes up with this and these instructions, and it just tells you how to use it. And it tells you don't have an application to actually run. You simply just print your document as if it were a print driver using the Cutepdf Writer, and it's a printer, and you set it to output form. So here are the instructions, and it also tells you how to uninstall Cutepdf Writer just in case it doesn't work for you. So let's just go ahead and try that and see if it works out. So I'm just going to go up to File, Print, change my printer down. Right there, Cutepdf Writer is the first one. I'm going to hit OK. Now it comes up and it's asking me to save this. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to save this as the Cutepdf Writer README file. It's going to be saved on my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Many PDF creation programs, once you save them, will pop up the PDF in a window. But this program, Cutepdf Writer, doesn't. So let me just go ahead and minimize. So I'll minimize my windows, close out of that, and I can see saved on my desktop is a PDF of this document. So that's a way that you can add PDFs. If you're not running Vista, you're running a previous version of Windows, you can use PDF Creator, which I've used in the past and which has worked well. If you are running Windows Vista, or if you are running Vista, then what you want to do is try out Cutepdf and see how that works for you. Let's go ahead and try going to another page to print out. Let's say that we wanted to print out this page. I'm just going to go File, Print. And you don't just have to be on the internet. You can print out something if you have a Word document or you have another application. You can print the same way. So File, Print, and let's check on the properties and see what properties it gives us. It looks like it gives us just the standard. So that's okay. And we can choose what pages we're going to print. Number of copies, that's kind of different. One thing in the instructions is it said not to print to file. And then we can go ahead and print it. And it looks like by default when it prints, let me just go ahead and give it a name. I'll just call this Cutepdf web page. Save it to the desktop. And so I'm going to go ahead and look, and it's already on my desktop. I open it up and it's there. And by default, it looks like it puts in our internet information. There's probably a setting somewhere that we can go ahead and turn that off underneath preferences or somewhere.